the Atlantic, refracting at 90 degrees. In degrees, the heat index climbs. Moisture turns to vapor. Look at the horizon line. It is perfectly straight. Electric dawn in Lagos. The pulse accelerating. Electric dawn in Lagos. The pulse accelerating. Moving now. Observe the heavy transit. Massive kinetic energy. Salt air meets the glass. Transparent and hard. Everybody moves north, following the solar path. Note the increase in friction. The humidity reaches capacity. The frequency of the motor matches the frequency of the heart. Electric dawn in Lagos. The pulse accelerating. Electric dawn in Lagos. The pulse accelerating. Moving Electric dawn in Lagos. The pulse accelerating. Electric dawn in Lagos. The pulse accelerating. Momentum, acceleration, electric, leaving, the fluorescent grid recedes. Calculate the velocity, the center cannot hold too many people, too much brightness. I am looking for the edge, finding the edge. Rhythmic escape, step into the frequency. Rhythmic escape, step into the frequency. Higher now. I hung that new print by the dresser, the one with the messy blue squares. I thought it made the corner look bigger, but you're just giving it that stare.